and welcome back to Wedding Composers. In this video, I will show you how a couple can select DJ music types as their service request for their event. Once you log into your Wedding Composers account, you will have the ability to choose the service under our drop-down menu. Once you click on DJ music types, you will see a pop-up window appear. We do require the couple to have a venue selected prior to completing any other service form. Please watch our venue setup video on our YouTube channel explaining everything in regards to venue selection and the need to have a venue prior to requesting any other service. If you have a venue booked, you could click on Add Venue Details and it will redirect you to our DJ Band Music Service Detail form. On this form, anything that has a red asterisk is a mandatory field and is required in order to complete the form to get the best match with our vendors. When you're putting in your budget, we're just going to put random numbers and names here just to show you the process of completing this form. Just remember, when you are putting in your budget, it depends what the couple stipulates. So the lower the budget, the less vendors they are likely to match with. It will not go under, we will not match you with vendors below your budget. So we're just going to put a 1 here. Then you indicate the number of hours that you're looking for your DJ, then the time, as well as the date. We do allow up to 3 service requests for each service. So if you have multiple event calendar dates you're looking for, you can search up to 2 more times for DJ to see how many more other vendors you will get matched with. Next question is, do you require virtual wedding services? This is if you would like to live stream your wedding. For this instance, we will just click no. If you do click yes, you will only be matched with wedding vendors that offer this specific service. Then you would have to indicate the venue that you are booked. The reason, again, we need the venue name and address is for the vendors need to know where they are servicing and catering to your event. Some vendors don't work with specific venues. Some vendors do need it for their specific insurance purposes, as well as to give you the most applicable and best quote possible. We will just put a random name here and a random address. The URL is not a mandatory field. When you do scroll below, you have a pet-friendly and LGBTQ plus friendly option if you want to work with just vendors who are pet-friendly and are LGBTQ plus friendly. You would check mark these boxes and you will be only matched with vendors who have it selected on their profile as well. When you keep scrolling down, you have to choose one of ceremony, cocktail hour, reception for your event. We have these fields and you indicate it so the vendor does know which part of the event they are servicing you for and giving you the proper quote. We will just choose one for this form and you would choose indoor or outdoor option. And again, the time is not a mandatory field, so if you do not know it, you do not have to indicate it on this form. When you keep scrolling down, you will see DJ Band Music Service. This is a mandatory field. You would click the arrow down. You have the ability to either choose one, multiple, or all the selections. We will just choose DJ for now. Then you have scroll down to music types. Same thing here. You can choose one, multiple, or all of the selections. We'll just click Bollywood, but I do want to show you if you do click select all, you have 2 more fields that pop up, which are religious international, and they do have their own subcategories where again you could also choose one, multiple, or all of the selections, and we will match you to the vendors that offer these specific music types. Then you scroll down to DJ accessories. Same thing goes here. You could select one, multiple, or all of the selections below. Then you would click next and you will have a different page. I did forget something in the prior form. I just want to mention it to you. Let's say you know exactly what you're looking for and you don't want to scroll all the way down. You could just type it. And if it's one of the options we do offer, it pops up and you click on it. Now going forward again, we click next and you have the next page where you could have a free text form telling anything else that you need the vendor to know about your event that was not mentioned in the prior form. And you also have the ability to add images of any kind that would be beneficial for the vendor to quote out your event. Then you will click Next. Please watch our ACH setup video on our YouTube channel, and it will explain what this is about. But for now, we will click Skip. Then you have the ability to review and submit the form. If you did miss something, you have the ability to go back and edit it. You would just click the button Edit. It will redirect you to the place where you need to edit, and then you could scroll down and save your changes. Then as soon as you see that the form is complete, you don't need to edit anything anymore, you click Find My Vendors. We do allow the vendors to have 72 hours to quote out your event. So you will only see quotes from vendors after 72 hours. You will get an email and or a text based on what notifications you set up in your couple's dashboard, notifying you of the vendors who quoted out your job, and you can log in and see the actual quotes on your dashboard. As always, we look forward to working with you.